A very happy morning to my cute little children. So kids, here we are with subject science and our chapter was growing plants. Activity. Today we are going to perform our third activity, and that is to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. हमने ये theoretically तो पढ़ लिया that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis, and today we are going to prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Date 1st September. Teacher Yamini ma'am. So let's begin. So let's start with our experiment. What is our aim of the experiment? To prove that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay kids? So now let's begin with our experiment. What we have to do is, see, we have to keep a green plant. Can you see this green plant? And this green plant is kept in a dark room. इसलिए आपको सब थोड़ा काला काला दिख रहा है. Why? Because this green plant is kept in a dark room for 24 hours. 24 hours के लिए हमने एक green plant लिया और उसको एक अंधेरे कमरे में बंद करके रख दिया. अब क्या होगा आगे? After that, we kept the plant in sunlight. But जरा इस plant को ध्यान से देखो. Observe the plant carefully. Are you finding anything different? Yes, here there is a black strip. Before keeping the plant in sunlight, we have to put a black strip on one of the leaves like this. Okay? Why black strip? So that this portion of the leaf does not absorb sunlight. बाकी सारा portion जो leaf का है, it will absorb the sunlight, but this portion will not absorb the sunlight because we have covered this portion with a black strip. And after few hours, what we will do? We will pluck this leaf and we will decolorize it. एंड लास्ट क्लास में हमने पढ़ा था कि डीकलराइजेशन हम कैसे करते हैं? बाय बॉइलिंग द लीफ इन वाटर एंड देन इन अल्कोहल. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर फ्यू आवर्स. आफ्टर फ्यू आवर्स द लीफ इज प्लग्ड एंड देन वी बॉइल इन वाटर. देन वी बॉइल इन अल्कोहल. This process is known as bleaching. After boiling it, we will wash it in cold water. We are washing it in cold water, and now we will check the presence of starch in the leaf. See children. Now this is a decolorized leaf. इसका कुछ भी कलर नहीं है लीफ का. अब हम इसमें डालेंगे iodine solution to check the presence of starch. Okay, and starch gives blue-black color in the presence of starch. Iodine gives blue-black color in the presence of starch. अगर इस लीफ में starch present है तो ये blue-black color की हो जाएगी. So let's see क्या होता है. ओ, हमने डाला आयोडीन एंड व्हाट हैपेंड? जो पोर्शन सनलाइट पे एक्सपोज था, द पोर्शन ऑफ द लीफ विच वॉज एक्सपोज टू सनलाइट टर्न्ड इनटू ब्लू ब्लैक. इट मीन्स दैट नाउ चिल्ड्रन, द पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ विच वॉज एक्सपोज टू सनलाइट turned into blue black leaf. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? जो पोर्शन सनलाइट पे एक्सपोज था वहां फोटोसिंथेसिस हुआ और स्टार्च फॉर्म हो गया, इसलिए ये कन्वर्ट हो गया ब्लू ब्लैक में. बट The part of the leaf which was covered with the black paper showed no blue-black color. Why? Because sunlight was not going inside the leaves, and sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis, and by photosynthesis plants prepare their food. No sunlight, no photosynthesis, no starch formed, and that's why this portion is colorless. Okay children, I am again repeating. The part which was exposed to sunlight, because of sunlight photosynthesis occurred, and because of photosynthesis starch was formed, and the presence of starch was confirmed by iodine, and that's why the color of the leaf changed into blue-black, and this remained as it is, no color change because of no sunlight. So from this experiment we have proved that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. So children, our activity ends here. Now what is your homework for today? Take out your textbook, class 4th, science, and open page number 39. And in page number 39, this activity is given. You have to read this activity. Okay? So for today, this was it. Study very well children. Keep smiling, stay healthy. May God bless you.